Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, January the 27th. So far so good. This year we have recovered most of the money we have been losing. We are up $2,037 for the year, but from the opening we're still a little underwater, yet it seems like we are getting there, doesn't it? Let's look at the chart of the SPY. That we've been using. Let's reduce this. Hey, look at that. The market has gone above the downtrend. So that means that this trend is now broken, and that means a new lower high. We could be making a higher high very soon, or at least compared to the previous one. Okay, so what do we know now? Well, we're going to delete this. Okay, remove that drawing, and we also have changed the downtrend. I'm going to leave it there for future reference. Okay, but you can see that it's no longer valid. We have a new high here, which is above it. So what am I going to do with this? Well, next thing is we need to close above this previous high, and this previous high was an intraday high, so we're going to look for this one here. Closing high was this one here. Okay, that's the valid one. So I'm going to point it out here and select it, and there we are. So that becomes a very important resistance line. Okay, and if we go above it, then it becomes support. It will be harder for the markets to get below that. And of course we have the Ichimoku cloud is now trending up. You can see that we have now the leading cloud of the Ichimoku cloud is yellow, which is bullish. Okay, and also we need to draw the channel like this. Click here, click on the previous low here, over here, and stretch it out, and we are in this trend channel, and now we look for the previous high right there. It could be intraday, it doesn't matter. That's where we are right now. So it looks pretty strong to me. Okay, looks very, very good. And I'm gonna pull back a little bit. So you can also analyze this by drawing these lines from any significant high, because then they become a resistance line. And as we cross each one of them, you become more and more bullish. Okay, there we go. I think this is very strong indication that we have crossed it yesterday, and today it held. It wasn't an accident, it wasn't a coincidence, it held. That means that the markets are quite bullish, looking very bullish, and we draw those lines looking to the future. Okay? You can go back a little bit more and see if there are others, because each one of those will become important points to cross. And as we do, you would begin to see how wise it was to keep on buying when we were reaching lows. Okay, and it sort of feels that way now, because we are only $1,300 underwater. We have been much lower. Okay, all right. Again, this is long-term investment. You don't really care. It's sort of nice to discuss it, but it really shouldn't matter, because your horizon is longer term. Let's put a weekly chart here, and that's what you're looking at. Okay, oh, there is a previous high here at 479, and we could draw a line there too. Previous high, and you see all this will become support. As the market goes above them, then they become support. Now they are all resistance. That means the market would hit as if it was a ceiling a glass ceiling, so to speak. It hit, the market will pull back like it did before here, and then it pulls back and then goes strongly through it. And then this longer term trend that has been broken will change eventually. Okay, so right now it looks really good for the bears, for the bulls rather. Okay, there you have it. All right, so what do? We do the usual. Let's enter a little bit of cash here, adjust the cash. Obviously what you'll be doing is adding $500. Say okay. And now we have $756 and we'll be paying $406.36 for our next trade. You can, from here, you can say buy, and then you need to say one, only one. We're going to buy only one. Bingo. Confirm and send. Okay. All right. While we're at it, this is so simple and so routine. It sort of doesn't tell you much about trading options. And I've been thinking of trading covered calls, which is a strategy that I use sometimes. But I will be selecting candidates for that and perhaps include it in another series of videos. But for now, let's just enjoy this. We have come back quite a bit, and we keep on buying. And already filled. So how many shares we have and what is our average price? Go to the SPY Analyze tab, and then here you see we have 87 shares and our average price is $421. So we are just a stone throw away from that, and then we'll begin positive territory. It would have to go above 421, and when it does, we will be in the plus column. Okay, thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.